Hey everybody, welcome back to Craft Sports. My name's Daryl, and today we're going to be looking at the 1995 R33 Skyline GTR V-Spec. This is a Series 1, or in Japan, referred to as the Zenki model R33, meaning it's an early production model. The R33 was in production between 1995 and 1998. Every R33 comes with factory Brembo brakes, a major upgrade from its predecessor, the R32 GTR. This GTR has the OEM 17-inch Nissan wheels and the original factory muffler. As a GTR specialty shop, we have noticed the growing demand and popularity for the R33 GTR. Sourcing a low mileage stock example of the R33 GTR like the one we have here has become quite a difficult challenge, even for us in Japan. Let's take a closer look inside. The originality of this GTR is amazing. This R33 has the airbag-equipped OEM steering wheel specific to the 95 model. Also has the OEM cluster, OEM shift knob for the original 5-speed manual transmission with 22,000 original miles. Very low mileage, very good condition. The R33 GTR is roughly 5 inches longer than the previous generation R32, which translates to a larger cabin space and a more comfortable driving experience for our taller GTR enthusiasts. Let's pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay. This GTR has the legendary RB26 DETT twin turbocharged engine coupled with the iconic Atessa all-wheel drive system and Hikus rear wheel steering that really embodies what Nissan was trying to accomplish in delivering a one-of-a-kind, racetrack-inspired driving experience. This GTR, like a lot of our other vehicles, comes with the original Nissan booklets, the original Japanese license plates. If you have any questions, give us a call, 239-248-9588.